Yay.
Tom super tingkai.
Yeah.
Super.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing something a little exotic, which is chicken feet.
Exotic.
Yeah, exotic. Is it exotic though?
Yeah, sure. I've never
Yeah,
had it.
exotic. Yeah. So สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้นะคะเราจะทำต้มซุปเปอร์ตีนไก่นะคะ แล้วก็ตีนไก่เนี่ยจะเป็นครั้งแรกของสามีเลยนะคะ So today it is going to be your first time trying the chicken feet, but you are not obligated to eat it. So I am going to put the drumstick as well, just in case if you don't like the chicken feet. So first, we are going to start by cleaning the chicken feet, and first step is to declaw them. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry.
Okay, and then salt.
What is the salt?
This is how we clean it. Squeeze it. Salt like this. Hot water. Okay, and then 2 liters of water. Seasoning sauce.
It's okay.
And now we're gonna let it cook for 1 hour. Sorry. We're gonna get the tips. We're gonna get the sweet potato tip. You okay? Smell really good in the house. Smell very, very good.
Okay.
ผัดมากใช่good, yeah. You're gonna have the non-spicy one. I'm not gonna make you eat the spicy one. Cilantro.
Soup.
Sweet. Yay. So here is chicken feet, spicy chicken feet soup. The one with just the drumstick for you.
So,
Okay, some rice for you.
gotta have the rice. Thank you.
Okay, chicken feet, you have to eat it with your hand. Here, let me show you. Grab one piece. This deliciousness.
Sweating.
This is how we're gonna eat it. You start from the middle, like this. That's all.
How deep did you go?
Not deep. Not deep. How is it? It's not too bad, right?
No. If you don't look at it, it's not.
Right? Right?
It's kind of spicy, huh?
A little bit.
It's like.
Tom super ตีนไก่
Tom super tinkai.
Yeah. You don't have to. I told you, you're not forced.
I know.
You're not obligated.
I want to
eat it.
respect the chicken that gave their feet for us, you know?
Okay. bad, right? It's not too bad, right?
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
It's just different. Very different.
It's your first time, so I mean, you did great.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you. I am very satisfied.
Going for this. You want some? Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Another first for me.
That's my baby. Enjoying your food?
Great. Yes, I am. Great. Thank you so much for another new experience.
You're welcome, honey. At least now you can talk to your friends that you had chicken feet before. And it was so cool.
Your mom is so proud.
Yeah.
So what's my next big tasting adventure?
Pork picnic. Good. Good.